Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW M3 vs Bugatti full comparison. Follow the outline and listen for key numbers and real-world trade-offs as we discuss engine character, driving feel, pricing, maintenance expectations, and daily practicality. I will highlight where each car shines and where compromises exist, using plain language so you can decide which fits your priorities. Stay tuned for performance numbers, ownership realities, and a helpful summary at the end. Every detail matters when comparing the BMW M3 versus the Bugatti for performance and handling, so I'll explain how power delivery, torque curves, and weight influence real-world acceleration and cornering. We'll look at braking behavior, suspension setup, and how each car translates power to the road. Listen for differences in throttle response and chassis feel, plus which car rewards precision driving versus which prioritizes raw speed for straights. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more comparisons. Quick recommendation. I'm using leak-proof meal prep containers that make life easier when you're balancing driving and daily routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. That product ties into real-world ownership convenience in a light way, and it's been handy on long drives and track days. Now let's get back to the video. Cost considerations often decide between the BMW M3 versus the Bugatti, so I'll walk through purchase price, insurance implications, and expected maintenance commitments. We'll cover fuel economy, service intervals, and parts availability to show realistic annual cost ranges. I'll also mention depreciation patterns and how exclusivity influences resale value. This segment aims to make ownership trade-offs clear. Whether you prioritize a track-focused machine or a more practical high-performance daily driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.